In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Canva without Pro. We will use a simple workaround so you can get clean, transparent images without paying for a subscription. First, download your image from Canva. Make sure your design with the image is open on the Canva editor screen. You should see the top menu bar with options like File, Resize, and a big Share button on the right. Move your mouse to the Share button, then choose Download. A small panel appears, showing file type options such as PNG and JPG. For best background removal quality, choose PNG if it is available, since it usually keeps more detail in edges like hair or fine shapes. Then click the download button at the bottom of that panel. Canva prepares the file, and you will see the download appear in your browser, usually in the bottom bar or your downloads folder. Once that is finished, upload it to a free background removal website. Open a new browser tab and go to a site that offers free background removal, such as Adobe Express Free Background Remover, the free version of Remove.bg, or Microsoft Designer. On these sites, you will see a large button that says something like Upload your photo or Upload image. Click that button, then select the image file you just downloaded from Canva. Most of these tools start processing automatically as soon as the upload completes, and you will see a preview showing your subject separated from the background. A helpful detail here is that you can usually zoom in on the preview to check if the edges look clean around hair, hands, or objects. Some tools even let you refine the cutout using add or erase brushes, which is useful if a small area of the background was missed. Next, download the image with the transparent background. When the background remover finishes, look for a button labeled Download, Download PNG, or Download with Transparent Background. Click that, and your browser will save a new file, usually as a PNG with transparency. You can confirm it worked by opening the file in your system viewer. The background should appear as a checkerboard pattern, which means those areas are now transparent and will blend with any design you place them on. After that, upload it back into Canva. Return to your Canva tab, open the design where you want this cutout, and look on the left sidebar for the Upload section. Click Uploads, then click the Upload Files button, and choose the transparent PNG you just downloaded from the background remover site. Once the upload finishes, the image thumbnail appears in your Uploads panel. Click it once to insert it onto your canvas. You will now see your subject on the page with no background, ready to place over colors, photos, or other design elements. So now you have learned how to remove a background in Canva without Pro by using a free website in between. If this helped you get clean, transparent images in Canva, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Canva shortcuts.